Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm making an air fryer salmon and shrimp foil packet, and I'm using my DeLonghi Multifry. I made this for lunch and it was absolutely delicious. I started off with some frozen salmon and shrimp that I defrosted in my Gourmet cake maker. Yes, I said cake maker. I'll have more information on this above and in the description box. I then melted some butter. My butter turned brown because I cooked it too long in the oven. But to the butter I added some honey, some Dijon mustard, some grain mustard, and some garlic. And here's what it looks like all mixed up. Next, I placed my salmon on some foil and I sprayed it with olive oil, and I seasoned it with some sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and some Italian seasoning. I did that on both sides. Then I added the shrimp and I seasoned those the same way. Once everything was seasoned, I added half of the sauce all over the salmon and the shrimp. Next, I closed up the foil packet, and you want to make sure everything is sealed. You don't want any of your sauce to leak out. And I placed it in my DeLonghi Multifry level 4, which is about 400. I turned on the bottom heated element and I let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, everything was cooked perfectly, and I drizzled the rest of my sauce over the top. And then I added some dill weed. I was actually supposed to add that to the seasonings and I forgot earlier, so I just sprinkled it over the top along with some parsley. And you can see how juicy and flaky the salmon is. So good. This was a great lunch, but you can also make multiple foil packets for your family and eat it as dinner. The sauce is so delicious, I actually ate it with some leftover jasmine rice. Yum, yum, yum. I do hope you guys give this a try because this is so easy to do. As always, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!